In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple rows of data to Hubspot filters. We'll walk through how to build a filter using multiple conditions so you can narrow down your contact list more precisely. This is especially useful when you want to see contacts that match one set of criteria or another, instead of just stacking everything into a single, rigid rule. First, start by navigating to your CRM and opening the Contacts section. This is your main list of people in your database. Once you're on the Contacts page, look towards the top of the screen for the option labeled Advanced Filters. Go ahead and click that. This opens up HubSpot's more powerful filtering panel, where you can build out more complex logic. Next, click on the button that says Add Filter. This is where you define the first condition you want to use. You'll be asked to select a property. A property is simply a field on the contact record, like lifecycle stage, country, email domain, or any custom field you've set up. Choose the property that's relevant to the segment you're trying to create. After selecting the property, you'll need to choose an operator. The operator defines how HubSpot should compare the property to the value you're going to enter. For example, you might choose is equal to, contains, is any of, or is unknown, depending on what you're trying to find. Pick the operator that best fits your use case. Now, enter the value that you want that property to match. This could be a specific country, an industry, a life cycle stage, or any other value that exists for that property. Take a second to double-check your spelling and formatting because your results depend on this matching correctly. At this point, you have your first filter set up. To create another row of criteria that uses OR logic, click on Add Filter Group. This is the key step. A new block appears, separate from the first one. Each of these groups acts like its own set of rules, and HubSpot treats them with OR logic, meaning contacts can match either group to be included. Inside this new block, repeat the same process. Select a property, choose the appropriate operator, and then type in the value you want to filter by. You can continue adding additional filter groups in the same way if you need more rows of OR conditions. When you're done, apply the filters and review the list to make sure the results look right. This method gives you flexible, multi-row filtering without needing any complicated setup.